Option Omega markets itself as a lightning-fast options backtester with 1-minute data and years of history, but doesn't really give you the accuracy and flexibility you need, or is it just hype? Let's find out. Option Omega offers fast, automated backtesting using 1-minute historical data, ideal for strategies like 0 or 1 DTE options. It can backtest over 10 years of market history in minutes, and lets you customize everything from entry rules to slippage, Greeks, and multi-leg portfolios. The dashboard gives you key metrics, CAGR, win rate, max drawdown, and also lets you export results to CSV for deeper analysis. Plus, it includes educational tools like the Option Omega Academy with crash courses on advanced strategies. However, there are drawbacks. You're limited to just 5 tickets: SPY, SPX, QQQ, IWM, and TSLA. There's no manual backtesting, so you can't analyze naked trades bar by bar. Some users caution that its accuracy isn't perfect. Mid-quote fills may not always reflect real-world conditions. Still, many traders say they use it daily and find it awesome for quick, high-resolution testing. Option Omega is powerful if you're focused on speed, depth, and automation for a handful of popular tickers. Start with a free trial, test your strategies, and decide if it matches your workflow. This has been How to Literally, where we keep it smart, simple, and scam-free. See you in the next one.